years suffering, poor, no money, no income, nothing, just sitting, making own field work, spending own money. They broke everything 20 years, now government has to repair first this thing. In British time they say, British time was okay for us. They never do anything with us. His grandfather said. Government never any help. No help of anyone. That time was in a kilometer, 5 times a check. If she has to go doctor, she need maybe from morning, maybe she come back night or no, because all the 5 times check. They never understand she's a sick. They don't care about this. Hard time. It is a big hole inside. But if I say too much, maybe then I will cry. They never say them go out inside, have a cup of water. No allow. Sit here. Old man, old woman, my daughter, my mom, my sister, they have to sit in like this outside. No move. If you move, we shoot you.
Even the children.
Even the children. This is my daughter, military coming me. He want to, do something. But we cry, we can't do anything. And military, they come in my house here. I have suppose my Quran here, They don't respect my book of Quran, Holy Quran. They just throw. If there is a good thing, tape recorder or watch, like you, it is written foreign, they say, where you bring this watch? I bring from Saudi Arabia. No. They just took, they just go. They take golden, they just take, and after that, when they take, they say, keep a sign here, we don't take anything because of the gun. I have to sign. Chief Minister of Kashmir, he went in India to say there, this military boss, don't do like this before what you do here. If you do, you take my son on a road because he is not a militant, take him in jail, then militancy never ends. You should become as a friendly with everyone, maybe we will control here. The same happened. The Kashmiri militants, he called them, say no way, fighting is nothing. If we make fighting, we lost our life. 1,000 graveyards is full of young boys killed by Indian army in Srinagar. Everywhere villages. He say no solution with these fightings. We should become together, friendly, and militancy. Inshallah, it will get finished. Little rest. Still war is on, because there is a military everywhere. When no war, then should be no military here. It is a war. Heart is not fear. Fear not. Heart is not like free like before. Kashmir, we want our own power. No India, no Pakistan, just our own, because we have our own everything. We have fields, we have fruits, we have cow, we have houses, we have sheep, we have girls, we have education, we have everything. We should have our own freedom. We don't feel, because I tell you honestly, okay, India is a big country, but they should know our pain, what we have pain inside. They does know what pain we have. Like, just relax. We don't want any money. We want just relax. In Arabic say insaf, Urdu. Insaf. He say just insaf. Nothing we need. He say like this is not Muslim, this is everybody. God told, be honest always. Yeah, they know now, Quran. But this guy is going to learn now. His daughter has to go and learn now in school. Private school, not government school. People thinking, this is no good way if they are such a Muslim. If they such Muslim, never should be war anywhere. If Islam never allow these things, why they do? Before we are also Muslims here. This is not in our mind before fighting. I want to kill you, I want to kill this guy, I want to kill my son and my Hindu people. This was no in any idea. We are like sleeping, in the morning we are see this dream, something happen. When we are all together, we are all together. One blood, one body. Now culture doesn't matter. We are gift from God. People is this flower of this garden.